And earlier on, in fact, last evening, we spoke to Special Public Prosecutor in the case, Mr. Ujjwal Nikam. We began by asking him how satisfied is he with yesterday's deposition and in terms of legal significance of the information or the evidence gathered yesterday.
I am totally satisfied with the deposition of Headley's because Mr. Headley has given certain sensitive revelation. And in that revelation, Headley had given certain things which were known to anybody, because Headley had said that before the terror attack of 26th November, the said terror attackers who attacked Mumbai on the night of 26th November they have tried these 10 attackers earlier also, that is in September 2008 and October 2008, but they could not succeed. Their attempts were failed, and ultimately they succeeded in attacking Mumbai on 26 November 2008.
We also asked Mr. Nikam how was yesterday's deposition a step out from National Investigation Agency's questioning of David Coleman Headley in the US. In that questioning as well, he had pointed out the nexus between the Pakistan's intelligence agency, the ISI, and the LET. Listen in.
My today's interrogation is totally based on the different footing. Interrogation by investigating agency and interrogation of a witness in the court on the oath is a totally different. So today's evidence of Headley, I have taken the evidence of Mr. Headley, and that is on oath. It has a more sanctity than any other interrogation of an accused before the police officer. So I think whatever today he is deposing, that has a very important legal value, and it is admissible in the eyes of law.
Our next question to Mr. Nikam was about what does he feel as far as the uniqueness about this kind of internet-based deposition is concerned in terms of its transparency of the process likely to strengthen international pressure on Pakistan to act against terrorists emanating from its soil.
It is for the government of India to take a call on this issue, but I think yet we have not completed the evidence of Mr. Headley. I may probe further for about 2 days more, and during my probe I am very optimistic that Mr. Headley will give more revelations as to what had happened in Pakistan and how LET has a connection with the ISI of the Pakistan and so many other things. Of course, I have a certain documentary evidence, and on that documentary evidence I am going to put many questions to Mr. Headley.
And after day one of Headley's deposition, that's yesterday, we also asked Mr. Nikam what will be the next step, legal proceedings in the Mumbai 26/11 attack case.
Mr. Headley is one of the key conspirators behind the terror attack of 26 November, and our trial is also pending against one of the Indian person, namely Abu Jindal, and Abu Jindal was also involved in the criminal conspiracy, but he was in the Pakistan during the attack. Mr. Headley gives the total magnitude and enormity of the criminal conspiracy, and this will be strengthened over the present case because Headley's evidence will be a corroborative evidence as to what we are going to marshal evidence against Mr. Abu Jindal.